Welcome to the Parliamentary Procedure 4-H Officer Training. Parliamentary procedure, or ParliPro, is incredibly important to understand as an officer, whether you are the parliamentarian or hold a different office. But first off, what even is ParliPro? Put simply, parliamentary procedure is the set of rules that govern how an orderly meeting is to be carried out. The original rules to ParliPro have been around for a very long time. Back in 1876, a man by the name of Henry Robert, a soldier in the Civil War, outlined the rules for how a meeting should be run. Those rules, creatively named Robert's Rules of Order, have been updated numerous times over the past 100 years or so. Today, the authority for all ParliPro questions is Robert's Rules of Order newly revised, and it's the 11th edition. But yes, it is over 200 pages long and filled with, you guessed it, lots of rules. Fortunately for all of you out there who don't like reading long and dry volumes of rules and trying to carry them all out perfectly in a meeting, ParliPro can be simplified for your club. Here are the 5 steps to carrying out simple ParliPro. First, make a motion. There are many different kinds of motions, but for now, we will be dealing with the simplest one, the main motion. A main motion is a request that something be done, or brings up an important topic for consideration and discussion by the club. To make a main motion, simply raise your hand. Wait to be called on by your president or other presiding officer. Once you are called on, state your motion. For example, if I wanted my club to order pizza for everyone at the meeting, my motion would sound like this. Mr. or Madam President, I move that we order 6 large pepperoni pizzas from Domino's for the club. It's as easy as that. As a note, it is incorrect to say, I motion. This is the most common mistake in ParliPro, and you will probably see it happen in your club. Gently remind members of the correct word choice. Use I move, never I motion. The second step is to second the motion that has just been made. A second is made by another member to affirm that, yes, they do want your motion to be brought before the club and discussed. In my example, yes, they do want pizza, or at least think that it's worth considering ordering pizza. To make a second, simply raise your hand after the president's request for a second, and say, I second that motion. Now the motion is officially brought before the club and open for discussion. Here's the time to voice your opinion about the motion, whether it should be entertained or rejected by the members, or maybe you want to alter the motion a little. You could actually make a number of different kinds of motions during this discussion. I won't go into these other motions now, but if you're curious, check in with Old Robert. Every motion you can make is outlined in there, and these motions can be very useful for carrying out a more formal meeting with more complex motions. Once the club has settled on exactly what the motion is going to do and how it should be done, the president restates the motion. Like this. The motion before the club is to order 6 pepperoni pizzas from Domino's. The last step of ParliPro is voting. Once the president restates the motion, he or she should call for a vote. Depending on your club's preference, you can call a voice vote or a vote by show of hands. For a voice vote, say, all in favor of the motion, please say aye. All opposed, say no. A voice vote is especially useful when a unanimous vote is expected, such as when accepting the secretary's minutes. To do a show of hands vote, first ask for those in favor to raise their right hand. Count the votes and then call for those opposed. The voting results should be announced by the president, followed by a light tap of the gavel. The results should be announced by saying, the ayes have it and the motion passes, or the noes have it and the motion fails. If the motion fails, the president should announce that it failed and move directly to the next piece on the agenda. If the motion passes, the chair should explain exactly what is going to happen as a result of the passed motion. For example, the chair could announce that the ayes have it and the motion passes. We will now order 6 pepperoni pizzas from Domino's. Now you know the 5 simple steps to carrying out simple ParliPro. Remember, first make a motion, then second it, discuss it, restate it, and then vote on it. One last thing. For those of you who are serving as parliamentarians for your club, it is your job to make sure that ParliPro is carried out correctly. If a mistake is made, you should raise a point of order. A point of order is a special kind of motion that basically calls the president's attention to the breach of procedure and requires the president to decide if something needs to be corrected. For example, if the president forgot to restate the motion before a vote was called, the parliamentarian can call out point of order, interrupting the meeting. The parliamentarian then explains what was out of order or wrong, and the president corrects the mistake. In this case, the president would restate the motion and then proceed with voting. Remember to be kind and polite while correcting fellow officers or members. Don't forget that you are all a team and you are learning together. Parley Pro can often be very confusing for some, and it's your job to help them and teach them gently. You now have everything you need to properly run a 4-H meeting. Good luck!